If you are interested in the field of AI, you might possibly have heard the terminology such as machine learning or data science or neural networks or deep learning. What do these terms mean? In this video, you will see what is this terminology of the most important concepts of AI, so that you will be able to speak with other people about it and start thinking how these things could apply in your business. Let's start with explaining artificial intelligence. According to Jonathan Russell, a professor of computer science at the University of California, artificial intelligence is machines or computers that mimic cognitive functions that humans associate with the human mind, such as learning and problem solving. I know this definition is not crystal clear, and actually there is no single correct explanation of AI. As machines become increasingly capable, tasks considered to require intelligence are often removed from the definition of AI, a phenomenon known as the AI effect. For instance, optical character recognition is frequently excluded from things considered to be AI, as it became a routine technology. However, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, and it is the study of computer algorithms that improve automatically through experience or learn from data, just like humans. As you might guess, there are many different approaches to make machines learn from experience. For example, deep learning or similar reinforcement learning is a method under machine learning based on artificial neural networks. This is just the general view for now, and we will give more details about these methods in the future parts of this course. So, what exactly is machine learning? Let's try to explain this through an example that we can better understand. If we think about the key differences between humans and machines, one thing we might observe is that humans might learn how to do a task based on observations of seeing it done, more broadly through experience. Let's assume that a new graduate starts working in a big bank in the credit approval department. As years pass and his hair turns white, he will learn more and more to look at which details in an application. At some point, he will possibly reach a level of understanding where he can say the outcome of the application just by looking at the file. On the contrary, machines need to be programmed to follow some rules to perform a task. If we want the same job to be done by the computer instead of our new graduate, we need to build a big rules engine with lots of if-else statements as shown in the screen. In some cases, building such an engine might be costly and time-consuming. This is exactly where machine learning steps in. Instead of building such a massive rules engine, we can create an algorithm to make the computer learn through observations, just like our new graduate. But how do we do that? The answer is data. What machine learning does is an attempt to replicate this process of learning, ultimately making decisions based on probabilities and thresholds based on data available from previous situations like the one being predicted. The algorithm will compare a new application with the previous applications, check the results of similar applications, and based on thresholds, it will decide whether to lend the money or not. Fine. Up to this point, we have talked about artificial intelligence, machine learning, and a little bit of branches of machine learning. But what is data science then? Let's check it out. According to Wikipedia, data science is a concept to unify statistics, data analysis, machine learning, and their related methods in order to understand and analyze actual phenomena with data. Let's stick to the credit approval department example given before. So you might have a team analyzing your dataset in order to gain insights, and they come up with a conclusion like, hey, housing loans approved more than car loans, and also they have less problems in payment with lower default rates. We need to focus more on housing loans. This is a typical example of a data science project. The output of a data science project is a set of insights that can help you make business decisions. The boundaries between these two terms, machine learning and data science, are actually a little bit fuzzy, and these terms are not used consistently even in industry today.